What is the difference between stridor and wheezing? One of the most frantic pre-hospital scenarios is one involving a child in respiratory distress. The pediatric patient is often difficult to examine, making it even more difficult to properly diagnose the condition and execute treatment. Anxious parents can add to the difficult situation and place the pre-hospital provider in a hectic predicament. The ability to differentiate between the numerous types of respiratory sounds, especially stridor and wheezing, can be one of the most important skills perfected by the pre-hospital caregiver. Understanding pediatric airway anatomy and how to distinguish the sometimes subtle upper and lower airway noises, and knowing how to treat the various etiologies of such noises, can all hasten swift and proper treatment of such patients. In addition, having the patient's medical history and history of the presenting illness can be invaluable in determining the cause of the complaint and proper treatment.